here's the drive shaft. They had to cut this here off. Well, they had to cut both ends off and put on universal joint on this end here. And then they put the yoke on this end here. Cause I had this here, but they welded this here on. Give me a new U joint here, and see how this is why I wanted them to do it. They got it balanced here. Two little washers here, and you got another one at this end here. If I wouldn't have done it myself, it wouldn't have been balanced. But anyway, these are the guys here out of a drive shaft. But anyway, I just wanted to give him a shout out because they did an excellent job on the drive shaft. Really good turnaround, and got me up and going. Anyway, we're going to throw this in. Hand that puppy in. Ow, ow, ow. Got my finger stuck in the U-joint. No. Okay, shove her in a bit. Damn emergency brake cable. Okay. Okay. You just turn it however you need to do. Okay, now bring it back towards you. Gotta shove it in here. Okay, we're all the way in. Yeah. Okay, I'll hold her up here. Okay, I got it. Oh, I see what we gotta do. Yeah, okay. How was that? To you? I can't push it. You won't have to. Can you use the clamps to bring it in? No, the soft-headed mounted on the back wall. Okay. Yeah, it's sticking out. We're got about an inch and a half travel here now between the end of the the end of the axle and where that shoulder is on the drive shaft. So that's exactly what Sean was saying. So we're good. Oh, the oil came out of the rear axle when I took the drive shaft out. I don't know if I guess just tight as you can make it. I don't think there's a torque specification or not. Here, can you bring me over a 5-gallon pail, please?
5-gallon pail, yeah.
Yeah. Use that one we're using for. Well, there's one right there too. I just want to lean this up against it. It's like what I had in my waffles this morning. Same consistency, only hopefully not the same taste.
Yeah. Burnout, no.
If I put enough oil on it. Whoop.
Pay attention.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm so broke I can't afford to pay attention. Okay, guys, we're gonna warm up this truck a wee bit. I just like to hear it run. It doesn't happen that often. But we got the motor running good. We got the transmission working good. The brakes are all working. We got the drive shaft in this morning, so that's all good. So we'll just start her up and see what it's like. How's that, guys? There's my 2021 Burnout. A little late, but hey, what the heck, eh? And it didn't blow up.
No. Cool.
Stinky in here, though.
I guess.
Oh, Johns.
With that,
Yeah, right on.
everything hung together under pressure. Eh? That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Okay, so anyway, guys, thanks for hanging around. We'll wrap this video up now. Just a bunch of silliness on a Thursday afternoon. A couple of guys out in the shop. You know, it's like just having fun. But anyway, thanks, Keith, for getting everything together here.
No problem.
We'll probably be out again tomorrow. The next day, we're going to start maybe putting the truck back together again. But make it look like a truck instead of a dune buggy. So anyway, guys, thanks for hanging around. We'll see you in the next one. Have fun. Keep wrenching. Bye now. I think she works.
Oh, smoky in here.
Thank God I know how to edit.